Good morning, everybody. It's a pigsty in here. I'm going to clean up. Ba-bum. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Right. Down, up, down. This one should have been up. So you did it all wrong, Richard. A doobie doo. La. And there we go.
So we agree. First step, I cut here to remove the step.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And after I cut lower.
Yeah, you can, with
Cut
this
through
one here, you can cut flush to there, and that one the same. We just bring the thing and
So in two steps,
and put the
unfortunately.
wow. C'est la vie.
Yeah.
C'est la vie. Okay. What's that, Matt? What have you forgotten?
Les pen? Not a marker. No. To have a nice line.
More than that. No. Oh, Rich, go and find a better clamp. That one's sad. There we go.
Yes, it's bad.
Just out of interest, just chuck it over here. I haven't even. No, that's good. That's good.
Yes, it's just the extra here.
Yeah. It's like, it's nothing. It's nothing. I tell you, it'll be all right. Everything's gonna be okay. That is a mega amount of variance over 6 inches.
I will need your help because I can't hold and see what I'm doing.
Alright, Pet. Alright, let me just whack this one in a different place. I'm coming. What do you need?
Can you check the mark? It's perfectly underneath the level because I can't see on the hold at the same time.
Ça, c'est bon.
So that is new.
Hi, look at this monster. I'm going to be tidying up a little bit outside the gates this morning, and then I'm going to try and plant some daffodils and tulips along the side here. And I've got this amazing item that somebody very kindly bought me on Throne, which is going to help me to make some holes for the bulb, so that should be quicker. Let's see how that goes. First, bit of weeding. Some of these are weeds and some of these are things I put in, I think, but hard to remember.
I have a digger.
Yeah?
You
Sure. I'll put some daffodils in there then.
Yeah.
Cool. Winning at life. Rich is coming to save the day with the digger and scrape this for me, so then I can put the daffodils straight in. Amazing. Well, maybe here. Like here. Actually, love, sorry, could you do to here? Because that's all nettles. So it'd be good to get all the nettles out. Sometimes I forget we've got a digger and that I don't have to do the donkey work. It's amazing. Yeah, it's brilliant.
scrape any more? Is that okay?
Maybe do one more scrape. There's a few roots stuck in there. Okay, so Rich has cleaned up that with the digger, which is amazing. So now I'm just going to get a rake and rake over it and push in some of the dirt off the road, and then I'm going to start planting daffodils and tulips. Okay, I have Narcissus Golden Touch, Miss Chung, Minnow, Golden Carpet. So what I'll do is I'm going to throw them all into this box so that they get all mixed up, so we're not getting like swathes of all the same thing in the same place. I'm going to use this fearsome looking knife that I got very kindly bought by someone on Throne. Thank you. All the things that you send are getting used. They're very helpful, so thank you. Still be good. I was listening to a podcast the other day, and I think it was Frances Tophill, if any of you know her. She was talking about someone had told her that any time after Christmas Day is too late, but I don't know, things are changing. It's so warm here, the ground's not very cold, so I reckon you could get away with it a bit longer. But yeah, the seasons, they're a little bit different at the moment, aren't they? We shall see how these do. There we go, looking good. Big box of daffodils there, ready to be planted. So what I'm going to do, start over here and just start throwing a few down and see where they land. And then if you do that, you get a bit more of a naturalistic planting, I think. I think this looks like a lot, but I imagine they won't go too far. So hopefully we'll get a nice swathe of daffodils along here. Right, I'm going to see if I can get these ones in first. There we go. It's quite good. Ooh, makes a right mess. Quite fun though. Ah! I also have a bulb planter. I'll try that one as well and see which comes out the best. Is that in? Yeah. Ooh. Pulling out roots as I go. I think I'll be pulling out roots for the next 20 years. That's okay. There we go. Oh God, I'm going to get in trouble. I've got mud all over his tool.
Charmed, I'm sure.
Hello.
Mine's just run out, so I imagine yours must be well on its way.
Got it a bit muddy, I'm sorry. I'll have to clean it off for you.
Is it working all right?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
I just as an experiment used this, and it's very clayey here, so this is working very well.
Good. Good. What brush?
I told you I'd be in trouble for the drill. Uh-oh. Okay, well that's it today. Put a little bit of mulch around the beds. This hydrangea, we'll cut that back in the spring, leave it for now. And then we've cleared that and put in some daffodils, and I'll have to come back another day and put the rest of them in. So there we go.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
So if I'm in the dark, it's normal.
What's that, mate?
If I'm in the dark.
Yeah, I can see the laser. I said, doctor. Is there nothing I can take? I said, doctor. To relieve this bellyache. I said, doctor. Doctor. Do 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 do. The Frankenstein bit. Right. Okay. Ho, 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 ho. Okay. Okay, I'm confident that's not going anywhere. La, 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 la. Very nice.
Shall I take this drill home with me so I can give it a clean?
Yeah, but not the battery.
All right.
All right, love.
Look that.
Okay, he's confident, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see.
Yes,
He is. Yeah, he's been doing it. He's been doing all that down there. So now he's like, yeah.
Yes, pop.
Yeah, this is it. I would be so interested to know what the actual heat loss of this building would be when it's done.
Use fermo camera.
Well, you need to do like a heat loss calculation, right? Don't
Yes.
you really? Like, to get you in the right ballpark.